Introducing the Quick-LOK Attachment System, a versatile outdoor power equipment system featuring multiple attachments, powered by a single M18 fuel power head. With the Quick-LOK Attachment System, you have the capability to switch between multiple attachments and complete a wide range of applications. Available attachments include string trimmer, edger, hedge trimmer, hole saw, and 3-foot attachment extension. Enter the Quick-LOK Attachment System by purchasing either the string trimmer with QuickLock or pole saw with QuickLock. Once installed in the system, you can add on the attachments you need when you need them. The QuickLock Coupler offers tool-free attachment changes, allowing you to switch from one task to the next. The QuickLock Attachment System eliminates the need to purchase a dedicated tool for each outdoor task, lowering your cost of ownership.
The attachments that go on the power head, it makes it a real versatile product. It's a lot quicker, it's a lot more efficient, and reduces cost on equipment overall.
When you're on a job site and you have one power head and multiple attachments to go in it, the efficiency level just goes through the roof. The QuickLock system is definitely heavy duty and commercial grade.
The Quick-LOK Attachment System is powered by M18 Fuel, the industry's best performing tools, and is part of the M18 system of over 175 plus tools.